Verse of the day. First Peter 3:15. But in your hearts revere Christ as Lord. Always be prepared to give an answer to everyone who asks you to give the reason for the hope that you have, but do this with gentleness and respect. A prayer to be like Jesus. Jesus, make me more like you. Please remove any behavior or thought pattern that don't reflect your character or heart for people. Make me bold, brave, and courageous, but keep me humble, kind, and gentle. Let the way I live reflect your hope and love. And when the opportunity arises, help me to share my faith with genuine joy. Amen.